11. We left the Broken Fiddle Hostel completely rejuvenated after our 0 day in Damascus. We went up a mountain and down a mountain, hit our 100 Appalachian Trail miles mark, more like 105 total miles hiked this trip. Then went around and up another little mountain, along a ridge, and then down, 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 and up a bit to the Lost Mountain Shelter. A 16-mile day. Leaving Damascus on the Virginia Creeper Trail, which used to be an old railroad that runs along the river here. It's very pretty. Once you get to the top of the mountain and you're walking a ridge line like this, it's nice and cool and breezy. We were noticing, so nice, so level for a while, so cool, so breezy, so fresh, so high. Whoa!
Raccoon.
Wow! Wow! I thought it was a rock. I almost stepped on that guy. Ooh! We better get out of there. Probably gonna attract a bear. Wow. Well, that was something for the video. We're just trying to talk about the fresh air, and all of a sudden there's like a stanky dead animal. Oh, poor raccoon. Poor trash panda. Let's hope that's not our fate on this trail. It felt like it was. We did that 19-mile day. I swear I almost fell out on the trail just like that raccoon. Anywho. Can't really see through the trees, but the mountain's over there.
I thought farther down the trail it was like
Mountain's
came
over
from
there. Really?
You ate the wrong thing.
Luckily, that steep climb did lead to an eventual view. Isn't that pretty? Look at the clouds, like just above the mountains. Just like a blanket of them. Pretty.
I see white.
We have now hiked 100 miles. We have 4 days left to go and about 40 miles left to do.
I see double white over there.
Honey, celebrate. It's video.
Celebrate.
High five.
For the camera.
That's a big deal. We've never hiked 100 miles before in a row. 165 miles now of the Appalachian Trail done. All right. It's always fun. Part of the Creeper Trail too? up. This is what used to be, according to my 2018 AT guide, this was a log bridge over a waterfall. But now they've built this nice new actual bridge. This is some good bridge building here. This is beautiful. This has been a beautiful day. A nice surprise. Okay, we're over all those rocks. Surprise, surprise. Soon the beautiful day turned into another rainy one. Yay! Because of the rain and my phone getting a bit blurry, as you can see, and the fact that I was low on battery, we did not get much more footage of the remainder of this day, which is unfortunate because it was beautiful. We went over a really beautiful high bridge that used to be a high up railroad bridge, and through some other beautiful spots. The awesome Lost Mountain Shelter, which had a really great privy. But we just got there. We dried our socks again and went to bed. Day 12. We left Lost Mountain Shelter and climbed up and up and around and up to Buzzard Rock on White Top Mountain. Felt like a bit of a badass climb. And then we went, maybe a little bit down, but then up and up a little bit more and over to Thomas Knob Shelter, just below the top of Mount Rogers, the highest and most beautiful mountain in Virginia, which we would take some time out the next morning to climb. So we just came up a steep little climb out into this field of pretty flowers again, and we have to climb that today. It looks like we're about to go into the woods and then head upward to Buzzard Rock. And that's only lunchtime. Then there's another climb before nighttime. But anyway, it's real pretty. Yep. Hey cows. Cows all around us again. Oh look!
Look at the little ones up here.
Look at the wee babes.
Hey babies.
Aww. Aww. One's looking right at me. It is not amused. It's eating. Taking a rest on a rock in the middle of climbing this mountain. This is the mountain we're climbing to get to White Top Mountain. Mountaintop and have lunch. Yeah, we started at Lost Mountain Shelter. We went down a little to about 3,000 feet of elevation and are climbing up to about a little over 5,000 feet of elevation. 2,000 climb, and then we gotta go back down and up again to Thomas Knob Shelter tonight, we're hoping, unless we get too tired, and then we'll camp here. But yeah, quite a climb, man. And what it seems to essentially be doing is just like winding around the mountain instead of just kind of switchbacking up one side of the mountain like we've been doing a lot. This seems just like a huge spiral around the mountain.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yeah, it seems like it. So that's interesting. Pooped already. Look at this. Right off trail. A little baby. A doe and a fawn. We're almost the type of white top mountain and buzzard rock. So happy about that. All right. We just climbed that. Look at that view we've come out of. Oh, and we have to head up a little higher to this big naked mountaintop where there's a big old rock called Buzzard Rock where we hope to eat lunch. I think it's about noon now. We got started at 9:30, so we're doing great. Just great. In spite of how terrible it felt at times. Look at that. Almost there. Lunch today is buffalo-style chicken creations with mayonnaise and cheddar cheese. Yum. Well, I am climbing high mountains trying to get home.